Anything you do, sir, ma, there are people you should take care of. Number one people you should take care of is your mother that bettered you. Take good care of her. If you're a young boy before you marry, take good care of your mother. Before you buy Brazilian hair for that your girlfriend that do not have brain, buy for your mother first. That's your girlfriend that carry with one of 300,000 in a brain that cannot produce investment for you. Buy for your mother first. Hear this. Any girl that demands beyond your income from you, don't marry her. You didn't hear what I said. Any girl that makes you spend beyond your salary every month. Your salary is 50,000. Your girlfriend spend 200,000 in a week. Don't marry her. You will live the rest. You are laughing. You think it's a joke. You will live the rest of your life in poverty. Any girl that wants iPhone 15, don't buy. Buy for your wife. Don't buy for girlfriend. You will buy iPhone 15. She will use the same phone to call another boy and WhatsApp another boy and do video call with another boy. Buy iPhone 15 for your mother. If your mama see the phone, you're going to pray for you. Mama, they lie. You dey hear or see? Mama, they lie. Mama, hey, wait. There's my iPhone. Bring it. Mama, do you know how to use iPhone? Wait. What's iPhone? Give me. Now wash. Where the camera? Mama, choose one out of the two. Which one you like?
Mama mia di makanga managi ayamalele odaga dirima ayana mami di makanga managi ayamalele odaga dirima ayana
Not say mama knows how to press iPhone. Oh yeah, look, mama hold the phone past you. Mama, these two phones. One.
This one I like this one.
Who's staying Eku here? Eku? Okay, mama, choose one. Mama, why?
Because I like it.
Like this, sons. You can replace your fiancés. You can replace your wife if she's a bad wife, but you can't replace your mother. Mother is for a lifetime. When God blesses you, give her the best of life. Lodge her in a hotel. When she's tired, put her inside a car. Don't carry anybody. Say, Mommy, I'm taking you out. Pay 1 week for her. 35,000. Go step hotel. Let her rest. Let her eat. Close your eyes. Spend 1 million for her to fresh. Mama is not sick. Now you they give her so a goosey soup the shop. Now make her look like who they sick. Give mama plantain and fried yam. Go fresh. Give mama shawarma. Mama go fresh.